Having one doubt, sir.
Yes, what is it?
Sir, where are they going to stand, sir, while the presentation, sir, in the stage or over there, sir?
When they are standing on the stage, the camera will be turned to the stage. When they are standing here, it doesn't necessarily mean that they'll have to go to the stage. They can either stand here and present. Yes, sir. Some people are going to present here, sir, because why people are going to stand on PPT, sir. So they are going to take some. We have added some excerpts from Times of India and other authentic websites. Sir. Yeah, so we can make the presentation by here. We do not have a moment. So. We have to PPT reference on the way. Okay. So Kalpita, you have been explaining why you have joined Vrinda late, and that was because of your academic strenuous schedule and all that. How much penalty do you think your team has to earn? I'm ready. Come.
Good evening, with the Vashmika.
பின்னாடி வந்தாலும் இடிச்சுட்டு போலீஸ் ஸ்டேஷன் சொல்லணும் அந்த ரயில்வே கேட்ல நல்ல ஒரு ப்ரொஃபஷனல்ஸ் கவர்மெண்ட் அதுக்கு கொஞ்சம் தூரம் பார்த்து நோட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டீங்கன்னா அவன் ஈஸியாக பிடிச்சான் ஆர்டிஓவில் ஒரு சொன்னோன்னு ஈஸியாக பிடிச்சான் பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிறது ஆர்டிஓ பிடிச்சி நீ இவ்வளோ தூரம் 2 பேரும் வாங்கி சரி நல்லா பேசிட்டு இருந்தேன்னா டக்கு அந்த வழி ஒரு பக்கம் அவன் ஏமா நேரில் சரி நான் எல்லாம் மரியாதை அப்பா எல்லாம் மரியாதை பேசணும்ல அப்பாவை எல்லாம் மரியாதை பேசணும்னா அதுக்கப்புறம் ஈஸியா போட்டு நல்லா காய்ச்சி காய்ச்சி வச்சு அப்ப யாரு நீ கரெக்டா சொல்லுவாங்க மாமா மேலே Okay, so Kalpita, tell me, how much mark you think your team deserves?
Sir, I think it is penalty of 15 marks, sir, because it was mistake of every single person that we noticed that Brinda wasn't there in the group later, sir. So as penalty for everybody in our team except Brinda, I think 15 marks, sir. But if you give more than that also, sir, I'm ready to accept, sir.
Okay, so you were the one who noticed it, right? Sir, no, sir. Sir, normally whenever someone opens or creates a group, sir, I and Kalpita have a habit of checking the participants list, sir. We would check whether everyone has been made. My point is, why didn't Vishnupriya check it? Why didn't you check it? Why didn't Vrindavarshini check it before? Sir, actually I was busy with my academics, like I had homework to do, sir. So I was not able to check the participants. I just saw the message and I thought everyone was added, sir. So So Mitra, I'm not okay. Vishnu here. Mitra, I'm not expecting any explanation. So any other explanation will not be.
Kalvita, I'm really sorry you are having 25 marks minus for this one teammate not included, so that's fine. Okay? 25 marks minus. Right, so Dakshin Siddharth, Aswathaman, Sanjay Bhaskar, 3 members in team, and Mohit, Guru Prasanna, and of course Ritan Nitish in one team. They were very active. Mohit has sent the PPT to me, and Aswathaman also mentioned how things are going to be once we arrive, in all these professional ways. And Aswathaman and Sanjay, also Dakshin Siddharth, besides coming to the direct class, they are part of the online discussion as well. So, having all this in the prelude, I'll give 20 mark bonus for team Ritan.
Very well done, team Ritan.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, friends. Thank you.
I was watching the video. Yes, Dakshin Siddharth was holding up a class and he was also participating, but Sanjay and Aswathaman were till the end. They were there, and Mohit clearly administered things well. So that's why I give them my bonus. Yeah. So
I had academic skills. That's why I wasn't there in this one.
no, I don't understand. So the extra mind has fetched you some bonus. So Team CB Adityan has mentioned Mitra was mentioning that you need to have prepared some excerpts and all that, and you wanted some debriefing time of about 10 to 12 minutes. Yes. So you also wanted some debriefing time. Right. So how much time? Because we need to finish the first round, and we need to have the progress of the second round.
Around 20.
No way. 15. No way. 15 maximum minutes. CB Adityan பத்தி ஒரு ஐடியா சொன்ன கல்விதா அதை பாத்தியா?
Yes sir, I saw it sir.
Yes, sir. Had to solve this.
பரவாயில்ல. See, நான் ஏற்கனவே சொன்னேன் அகாடமிக் கிளாஸஸ் இருக்கும்போது ஹோம்வொர்க் நீ பண்ணுங்கிற அவசியம் இல்லை எம்எஸ் ரீடிங் செஷன்ஸ்க்கு. ஸோ இங்கே வந்து உங்களுக்கு எக்ஸ்ட்ரா டைம் நான் கொடுக்குறது தாராளம். ஆனால் சிபி ஆதித்தன் வந்து நீங்க ரொம்ப ஃபோர்ஸ் பண்ண வேண்டாம். டிஸ்கஷன் டைம்ல அவனால முடிஞ்ச அளவுக்கு கான்ட்ரிபியூட் பண்ணலாம். ஆனால் ஸ்டார்டிங்கும் எண்டும் அவன் தான். ஓகேவா? ரைட். நல்லா தலைசி விட்டு சீஸ் கேக் மாதிரி இருந்தால் நம்மளுக்கு வந்து கான்சன்ட்ரேட் பண்ணணும். ஓகே. Team Ritan Nitish and Team CB Adityan, you are going to have 15 minutes for your final cosmetic arrangement proceedings of your team. Any questions before we go for it?
No, sir. No, sir.
All right. Yes. Team discussions. Now, 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay.
So you can stay. Balaji, Kalpita, நீங்க வெளியில வந்துருங்க. இவனை இங்க இருக்கட்டும். Is that okay?
Okay sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So Dakshin are able to hear us now.
Yes, bro.
So first off, now one thing I have to say now. So Ashwathaman made a really good job as the PPT work now. Really good job now, and there was actually a problem with my computer now. My computer was in an old version now. So the video, the second slide he posted now, it was not working for me now. So I tried my best now, but Mohit is actually presenting right now.
Yeah, Mohit, you present.
Yes, sir. Not video worked for me. Can we use this extra 15 minutes given to us as a rehearsal?
Yes, bro. That's what we're going to do.
Then, do you remember every the things that the commands that the small signs that who should start that I told you? The
Ashwathaman, your voice is breaking. I think it's not for me.
Yeah. So, friends, what we are going to do is, who's presenting the screen? Mohit. Okay. So, Mohit, you after the how many seconds video? 15. After the 15-second video, you stop sharing for some time so that they could see us. Okay.
Okay.
Like right after intro, we see the news people coming, right? Like that. We'll do it.
Yeah. So once we all enter now, then you can again start sharing now. Like the page where I give the introduction and everything now.
Ashwathaman, we don't need this one because we'll be speaking here. We'll use after this directly we'll go to Portugal. You will ask. Okay.
Okay.
Friends, can you see my screen?
Yes,
Yes,
Mohit.
bro.
Yes.
Mohit, third slide around is not required. Okay, we'll directly go to the fourth. After second,
Okay.
we'll go to fourth.
Okay, now.
Mike, move it up. No, or else you can delete that slide. No, it would be convenient. No.
Shall we start the practice?
Yes, no.
ഇതിലെന്ത്
Mohit, please delete that slide now. The
okay.
one which I am standing now.
Okay.
7 ನಿಮಿಷ
It's not the Bangla slide, no.
இந்த part
The one where I actually have to report another. Yes, no, that one. No.
Yeah, because we are going to speak here, so Nitin,
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
so what opening narration did you do?
Yeah, that's
Not much, not just introduction to our MS City, and this is our news
okay.
channel, like news channel head now. So I was the creator of this MS news channel, and I'll just give the special, how to say, Sunday special now, and I'll just give it to Ashwatamana, and you'll start now.
Okay. Shall we start the rehearsal?
Yeah, no, I can
Yes,
call
ma'am.
you as
Okay.
Guru, your voice is too low.
Ritin, now can you hear me?
Yes, Guru, yes.
For 1 second, and then stop sharing. Yes. Okay, rehearsal. Let's start. Paul, what do you want to start? Okay, Ritin, once when I say 3, 2, 1, start. Okay.
Okay, now.
2, 1, go.
So hello everyone, one and all present here. So we are from MS News, and this is one of the most special event in our whole MS News thing, and this is Sunday special, as everyone know, and this is going to be a really interesting topic because every co-stars of our whole company is going and coming to the stage. One is MS Dakshin Siddharth and Ashwathaman and Sanjay. Anna, and they both are the best reporters of whole MSCD, and they three are coming to the stage. And as everyone know, this is going to be one of the most best news report. Gone to the news reporter.
Next slide, come on. Okay. 1 second. We don't need, we already showed it.
No, that's the eagle of light. No, we might need a 16.
You just hold it and stand it, okay? Just hold it and stand it. Okay? I'm coming. Very time in the you just hold it like this, okay? Because within 1 minute, 9 seconds elapsed, within 2 minutes, we have to finish this, okay? Quickly, we'll go to Puran.
So Dakshina, the main presentation, I'll just try to talk a little line now.
Because then is also doing next slide, we'll ask you questions. Okay? 3, 2, 1, go. Greetings, everybody. In today's show, we'll be looking at a historical event where our laws are to be blamed. In 1975, we had a national emergency, and before 1975, in 1974, 1 year before 1975, there were a lot of economic problems, unemployment, blah blah blah, all those sort of problems. So people protested, and the policemen, they took bribes from the politicians and they oppressed the poor. Let's talk about an incident which happened in a bungalow called the Stanley's Bungalow. We have a guest with us, Mr. Guru Prasanna.
Yeah,
Mr. Guru, can you?
Wait now. Please switch to the second slide. So that's why I said I added a new slide now. Yeah, please come to the. Yeah. Yeah, second.
Yeah.
So I'm not know. Then that is now. So now you have to start speaking. This is when you have to start speaking.
Then we stop sharing this.
No, nah. Then once you said Guru Anand come, then Guru Anand comes.
Friends, can you hear me now?
Ah, yes,
Yes,
Guru.
Guru.
Yes. Friends, it was it was some network issue, so I just went out.
Okay.
Yeah. So Mohitana, please just sit still. Now another like the Guru Anand coming the animation now.
இந்த ஸ்டைலாம் தேவையில்லை நம்ம டைரக்டா இந்த பண்ண போறோம்.
That's fine.
போதும் இதெல்லாம் because it will take time now.
Because they have
Only 12 minutes. So அதுக்குள்ள முடிச்சிட்டு.
Yeah, I think that.
Yeah, the 15 seconds video and all is fine, but all this will take some time. Yeah, so
sorry.
Yeah, please delete this slide.
What do you hear me?
Yes, Sanjayna.
Yes, Anna.
After you switch to the slide which shows the evil law, uh, stop sharing screen.
Or not to stop share screen now, you'll have to delete the slide.
no,
You want me
no,
to delete
no,
this slide?
right?
So that
So that they can see us speaking now. Okay.
Yeah, you can see us.
Then again you can start sharing when
Yeah,
we are
when
presenting
Guru
the
Anand
solutions.
Okay, then you have to delete the next slide also.
Now I have a doubt now.
Ah, yes, Mohit. Ah, sorry. Yes, Guru.
Do we going to do the flashback now?
Yeah, for the flashback only I made this slide.
Which one?
Okay.
The next one,
Fifth one.
no animation.
Yeah, Mohit, go to the fifth one.
One second, Anna.
Take your time.
Yeah, like this now. Like while we speak, just like a background.
Fine, but okay.
Yeah, okay now.
The video is on right now. Look at it.
Yeah.
In this slide.
Yeah, no need to stop sharing now, just once you say that, once
Okay,
I go
Anna,
on
when exactly are we going to present this slide?
yeah, once Guru Anna starts to say the flashback.
Yeah, okay. So Mohit, once Guru starts to say the flashback, just show the two slides once, okay? Don't need to delete the previous slide also. Once he starts telling the flashback, show the two slides and then stop sharing, okay? After this slide, when we act out the flashback, then stop sharing, okay, bro?
Okay, Anna, wait. So when Guru Anna is telling the flashback, I don't put this slide.
No, bro, can you go to the previous slide once?
I think the time will be enough for this slide also.
Yeah, that's
because
what.
while you do, they'll just move now.
Yeah, that's what. Okay. Yeah. So Mohit, when I asked Guru the question, I'll ask Guru a question, right? What happened in the Stanley Cup? At that
Okay.
time, at that time, what you do is you show this slide and then go to the next slide. As Guru starts narrating, go to the next slide and then stop sharing. Okay. Once when we are going to act it out, then stop sharing. Okay, bro.
Yeah, okay now.
Okay, Anna.
While Guru is speaking, then change the slides as he
Yeah, no, I
speaks.
think shall I do the then once you come now, then we can.
No, we won't have time to. We are compressing time to include this also. You just like when we are here, if the audience is just hold this and keep it.
Then I think that we have to cut the animation.
Yeah, it's already 11 minutes gone. Let's go to the next. Let's go to the.
So Guru, please cut the animations there. So
No, no.
for Mohitana.
No, bro. Let the animations be there. It's really good. We'll go to the next one.
That's only like when you come slowly. So when
Yeah,
you-
bro. It's nice. We'll include it. Okay, let's go to the flashback. Okay. Okay, friends.
Yes,
Flashback.
now.
Okay. Yeah, Ashwatam, and we are the first person to enter the kitchen. Okay. 1 second, I will keep the timer. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, hi, young man. What's your name? Oh, what's your name? Yeah, no?
Your friends. This.
Stop running, stop running, stop running. Don't make the wall fall down.
So,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
but
Speak,
there's
speak.
an old lady. There's an old lady in the kitchen. Yeah, I don't know what she's just
Don't-
come charging on me. I don't know what she's doing, and please help me.
Don't imagine anything.
Yeah.
I'm not imagining anything. It's real, I'm
No,
sure.
no, I do saw her. She seems busy.
Out of that, come on.
See, the proof.
I think Ashwathaman see himself in the mirror.
Go out, man.
Take off. Take off.
I'm
Hey,
not
just
coming.
leave him. Ashwathaman, just leave him. He's just an annoying person. If he comes, everyone will be get angry.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, can we go check this? It's not something like sleepwalking and other stuffs.
Yeah,
It's
just
real.
go. He'll follow you. Yeah, just go.
Oh, hi, young man. Hi. How are you all? What's your name? Wait, what are you doing?
Don't come here.
So you
What's
want real
this?
an old lady.
Breakfast.
Wait, I have been here since day one. I was here
Yeah,
even before you.
yeah, you're till the day we born. You're just still here till the day we born. We are
Yeah,
here
what's
for
your?
the past 3 days. We didn't see you at least once.
That's your problem, not mine.
How do you come inside?
Please calm down. See, I know her very well. She's been working since.
It's okay. Yes, sir. And while performing it, please give the call. Performing it. Okay, Stanley has said all. See, even my friend Stanley knows about me. Why are you so worried?
Yes, that's okay. Just.
I just need a help from you all. Can you all help me?
Yeah, but maintain distance.
I know. Yeah, the police
Stanley
officer.
said, do you know this old lady? Have you seen her anytime before?
Stanley has gone out. Okay, Stanley has gone out.
Yeah,
That
back
part
in
has
the-
been skipped.
Can you all please help me? The police have some misunderstanding and they have arrested two of my children and two of my grandchildren. I don't know why. They never told us the reason. They told us that if I bring some positive-minded youngsters to speak to them, then they'll agree.
Yeah, come here. I have to
Guru.
do some.
Guru and Mohit say something.
Okay.
Yeah, I think we can. Shall we?
I
Shall we
think we
tell?
should. I think we should help them.
Yeah, what's
Pause. Yes, we've already exceeded 3 minutes. We're in 3 minutes 9 seconds. So wrap it up as quickly as possible. And Ashwathaman, instead of like wasting time running around, just quickly come and tell all that. We make the conversations very quick. Okay? Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Resume.
So what is?
I do think we should help her.
Sounds good.
I do think we should help her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
we
then
should
that's.
help
Okay, I think we can help her.
Yes, I do think we should help the old lady because she is very old and we can help them.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
It will help you. So I think we can all say some ideas about what we can do for this situation.
So now
And,
for 1 minute, let's have a discussion in our own characters, and then we'll discuss about the economic problems, why they are protesting, all that. Okay, we'll discuss about it for 1 minute. Okay. 3, 2,
Dakshina, 1 minute now. So before that, after this part in the kitchen, after this part over, so you can come to the room where you are sleeping. So we are waking you up and asking you what we can do. So you are like the
Yeah.
intelligent person. So you are giving an idea that in a sleepy way, you are giving an idea that we could just record the whole solution and we could just give to the higher officials now.
Yeah, bro.
Anna Dakshina,
1 second more. What, bro?
do I need to share the PPT screen when we're telling our solutions?
Yes, bro. When we like there will be a scene where we are recording our solutions. Okay. During that time, you share it. But now, since we are just acting out, we're having a brainstorming session along. So now we don't need this way. Okay.
Okay.
And we take the recorder to send it to the magistrate, then you have to. Okay.
Okay.
Let's start. Bro, we don't have time to. What's the time on the watch today? 17.
It's
Outstanding.
3 minutes. 3 minutes. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, return. Start. I should be sleeping, right?
So how about can we ask Dakshin Anna? So I think he will have some ideas. Sasudan, wake him up. He's like sleeping for an whole day. Come on, wake him up, bro.
Yeah, let me just
Fast
take.
and just wake
Wait,
up.
don't do that, don't do that. Please, I'm waiting. What do you want from me? Can't even leave me to sleep. What do you
there's
want?
one lady who was there.
Yeah, her 2 children and 2 grandchildren are. She told me earlier.
Yeah.
Take a tape recorder and let's record all our solutions and send it. Let me see. Okay, wait.
What a beautiful idea. Wow. I think we can go with that idea.
You guys won't leave me.
Extraordinary idea.
What do you want? Tell me now.
All right, so let's start the tape recorder.
Yeah, what's the problem? Come on, tell me.
Mohit, come on.
Yeah, so first we listen to all of your ideas and then we'll go to a sequence where we record using this, okay?
So can I start now?
Nice. Okay. So now we'll start a tape recording, friends, okay? So that we could send it to the magistrate.
So this is Ritan Nitish, BCom final year, and I hope this is recording. And I'm having a solution to help those 4 peoples, and the solution is the old lady can go to an panchayat, and she could ask help, because as everyone know, panchayat like the most helpful place everyone can trust. So I think the old lady can go and get the help from the panchayat. And one more thing, panchayat is like uh, they will give the correct solution. So the old lady can go and get the help from the panchayat. Over to the next person.
No.
Since the police are not responding properly, I suggest to
One second, pause for 1 second. So friends, we have directly come into the voice recording scene, it's really good. So if we are completing it in time, then we can also have a scene where the children are released and the others are thanking the the old woman is thanking you. Okay, we'll have a scene like that if time permits. Okay.
Dakshina
I'll
now.
Okay,
just
Anna.
see you adjust accordingly. Yes.
So while starting now, they could say their where the college. I don't think college is needed now, but what studies they are studying now. So I think I said BCom final year for myself now. So everyone can say their own studies now.
We'll say it. You are part. Okay, once
So
again.
Sanjay is BSc Biotech. Sanjay na.
I am micro.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
20 minutes and 49 seconds now. Done. Enough. Close it.
Okay, friends, we'll follow the same model and perform.
Yeah, that's better.
Yes, sir.
So you guys are going to perform first, right?
Anything?
Huh? We go for a toss?
Yes, sir.
We go
So one
first.
second. Ritin Anna,
Inside, everybody.
Yes, Mohit.
can you put all of our studies and what area of study we specialize in the chat?
Yes, Mohit. I'm having a few of them note down. The few of the members I note down, I could just type down, Mohit.
Okay, Anna.
You just come and show this. Or you can just say evil laws. Or voice will come. Don't need to explain about just say evil laws.
So friends, before you make the animation of Guru Anna, let Anna say that, come on Guru Anna, like that. Okay, friends?
Okay, Aswataman.